Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I'm trying to help somebody install this font. She sent me a website that she got the font from, but I wasn't a member and it was a weird font site, or I couldn't even find the font. But this is just Google Fonts, and this is the one she wanted. So go to Download Family. It's going to come up with this, and that stands for True Type Font, I think. That's one you want. You don't want this, you want this, and you can always tell because it's a bigger size. Just double click on it and go to install. I've already installed it, so I'm ready to go. But you just have to wait for it to install, then go to Corel and type in some text. And then if you can't really remember the name of the font, well, learn to type. If you can't remember the name of the font, you know the first letters were NCI or NIC. There it is right there, and hit enter. There's that text installed into your Windows folder. Texts are not in Corel Draw, they're not in WordPerfect, they're in your Windows folder. Anyway, I hope that helped her. Thank you for watching.